Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to install Yeet TV on your Hisense Smart TV. This is quite easy. Make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So to install Yeet TV, what you have to do is to go over to your App Store on your Hisense Smart TV. So once you go over to your App Store, this is how it should look like. And the easiest thing to do is just go ahead and search for application by coming over here and typing Yeet TV, which is YEEE and then T space and TV. So here's the application. Just go here, search, and here's the application Yeet TV. So go here and just you are going to see the installation button. Please, the process is very simple. Just follow as I've showed you, and then you click on install a second, and the application is installed. You choose the position on your Hisense TV, and you go ahead and place it there. So that's how to install the Yeet TV. And just go ahead now and launch it on your Hisense Smart TV to see what it has for you. So that's it about this video. If you find it helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.